Yes, students, there are so many beautiful things around us, just like your green fields, delicious flowers, and so many natural things. Do you love them? Do they attract you? Yes. So, the natural sights, the natural beauties around us attracts us like that. A man, a noble man who has some good qualities impress on us because he has some noble qualities. So now I am going to tell you about a poem, The Noble Nature. The poet is Ben Jonson. So look at the book at page 68, The Noble Nature. It is not growing like a tree in bog doth make man better be, or standing long and oak 300 years to fall a log at last dry, bald and sere. A lily of a day is fairer far in May, although it fall and die that night. It was the plant and flower of light. In small proportions, we just beauty see, and in short measures life may perfect be. So the first stanza, it is not growing like a tree. In bog doth make man better be. So a man in bulk means in size. If a man grows in size, becomes strong and stout, we don't say him a noble man. You know that an oak tree, that is an European tree. We find in European countries. The oak tree is growing in bulk, in size, and it stands for a long time. It lives for a long time, that is 300 years. An oak tree stands for 300 years, but at last it falls a log. Log means जो काठ गंडी. Last में से काठ गड़ा है कि रहे. It is never used by any persons. We don't use them. We don't use its logs. It stands for a long time. It lives for 300 years, and it becomes dry. It becomes bald. Bald means without leaves. So it becomes bald and sere. Sere means dry. So at last, an oak tree which lives for 300 years becomes bald, sere, and we find in logs. It is of no use. Just like an oak tree, if a person lives for a long time, but has no impact on us, has no impress on us, can't that we call him a noble man. So a noble man should have some noble qualities, whether he lived for a long time or short time. That's not the matter. So, but on the other hand, a lily of a day, a day means it stands only for a day, it lives only for a day. So it is short-lived, but it is fairer far in May. Fairer means more beautiful in May. So generally, in European countries, they found lily flowers in May. You know, our May season, May month, जो आमर मे मासटा हेले सेठी कोन होती तांकर ना स्प्रिंग सीजन. So during May they find lily flowers. So lily flower lives only for a day. गोटे दिन पे उसे रहे. Although it fall and die that night, it is on that night it also falls or it dies. But it is a flower, it is a plant, and it is a flower of light. It is a flower of light means it is a flower that gives us brightness. We love a lily flower because of its brightness, because of its bright color. It attracts us. In a small proportion means the things of small size and shape. Though lily is a thing that is small in size and shape, seven akriti. We just beauty the sea. Normally, it is fair, it is beautiful. A lily flower is beautiful. It attracts us because of its brightness. And in short measures, life may perfect be. And in small measures, life may perfect be means a man can be perfect even he is short life. He has short life. Even he has short life. A man can be perfect. A man can be noble if he lived for a short time but have some noble qualities. So this is the poem, about the poem. So in this poem, the poet compares man to a study, S-T-U-R-D-Y. Study means the object that is strong and not easily damaged. That's the is सहज से damage होगी, ताकि क्षति होगी, लो पाऊंगा. So this is about the poem, the noble nature, and I at last give you some questions. Please note down some questions and prepare yourself. The first question is, who is fairer, the oak tree or a lily? What is noteworthy in an oak? Lily is the flower of dash. Proportion means dash. Thank you, students.